for a year, I would take all of the pressure off of my shoulders.
Got time, I make good meals. Go ride, I take two wheels. Come bring you that good feel. I don't have trouble keeping days full. I don't wanna sell 5, get 2. Always on time when the rent's due. I don't wanna grind just to get through. Tryna spend mine like a bitch. Minutes are riches off clock when I'm coming on. Profit is labor unpaid. Feeling infinite, I'm in it all summer long. Natural ways, casual fit. 5-pocket Levi's, Adidas for kicks. 3-pack of black tees, easy to hit. See me with her and they seem unconvinced. How do you do that when it's all in the hips? I take my time for feeling finesse. She feel alive, she don't wanna feel less. We stand in line, she rubbing my neck. I don't have to.
Hey, my friend, I swear I'll send a postcard from the road. Wish that you could be here too. It's harder than you know. Leaving, believing that in between the hardest things, it's all there ever was. Don't believe the hype, baby. No reason, just because. Please come.
Two separate time zones. Either way, we going all night long. Up late, smiling at your iPhone. I know the memes that I sent got you laughing your ass off. You still buzzing off last call, gassing you up like fast car. Check one, room to you. I'ma come scoop you.
True, let's rendezvous. Skip all that waiting, I'm coming to you. Swoop you at 10, have you back home in June. Shotgun the coupe, destination no more.
I think it's worth investing in when the feeling is mutual, when both parties are really excited, when, oh God, when there's like these little moments of magic.
Feels good, it fits right. We don't move too quick. Got hers, I get mine. We say, ooh, that's it. Say what I feel is a fact. She said she feel it right back. Got sentimental, locked the momentum. Said what I meant though. Yeah, I got what I give, can't block what it is. And I'm not one to trip or flake. If the plot got thick and we got off script, I won't just dip, I stay.
Two paper cups with cardboard sleeves, sitting on the table getting cold. Neither one of us really wanted a drink, but we needed something to hold. I think you know it's coming by now, 'cause I'm not good at hiding it. Know what I gotta say, just don't know how, and I'm not good at finding it. Do I say what I need to say? Or do I tell you what I think you wanna hear? There's no good way to make a heart break. And when some say I'm too wild, some say I'm too tame. Sometimes I'm a smile, sometimes I'm the rain. I'm carrying these secrets, kept them locked up. I'm not really sure what happened just now. It's all a blur from when you walked in, walked out. I'm used to being on the ready, but you got me unsteady. Driving home, going in circles with questions. Something about you's got me pulled new directions. I'm not used to second guessing. But you got me unsteady, and now I can't stop